In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt for language learning. All you have to do is to click the link in the description and you will access Chatgpt. Now, what if I told you that you can learn any language faster, smarter, and more efficiently using just Chatgpt and for free? In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned ChatGPT into my personal Spanish teacher. It gives me personalized learning plans, vocabulary with pronunciation, interactive worksheets, even oral exams. This is all tailored to my level and learning style. So if you are learning any language, you are about to discover a powerful new way to do it. We are going to use Spanish as an example, so go ahead and do the same with the language you want to learn. Now let's start with creating a personalized learning plan. This is the prompt that I will be using to create the plan, so I am going to copy it and then paste it. Basically, I'm just telling ChatGPT to create a 4-month language learning course for me. So go ahead and do the same or copy these and just rewrite Spanish with the language you want. Now also, I told ChatGPT that I am a complete beginner with 1 hour free each night after 7 p.m. So look what it gives me, a full 4-month course broken into weeks with daily focus areas like vocabulary, speaking, and listening. This is so powerful because it adapts to your lifestyle. You can ask it to make lessons shorter, more focused on travel, or even remove reading if you find it boring, just like I did. Now, ChatGPT didn't just throw random lessons at me. Now it knows when you have time to learn and your preferred method of learning and your personal needs as well. It knows also my language level because I told it, and it has suggested tools that I can use also with it. You can copy the table if you want. If you go ahead to the right of the table, then click on this icon right here. You can copy it and paste it in your Word document or any document that you can save to read later. Thus, if you don't have time, so you can check it and continue learning. You can also tell ChatGPT to learn some things you don't like just by typing a new message to it. Tell her to edit or refine the table you want to refine so you can have fun learning at your own style. Now, the next thing we are going to do is vocabulary plus pronunciation. This is a crucial step, so we are going to go to the next prompt, which is this. So just so you know, ChatGPT will help you learn better than Duolingo. So go ahead, write the next prompt, which is to tell ChatGPT that it is a language learning expert and you are learning Spanish or any language you want, and tell it to give you some of the most common and useful words and phrases so you can learn them. This will help you learn the language you want from words and phrases. So forget about textbook vocabulary that doesn't match how people actually speak. ChatGPT can provide the most common and useful words and how to say them as well phonetic way. It gives you the translation so you can check it, and it gives you contextual examples so you can see how the words fit into sentences. This helps you remember them better and understand how they are used in the real world. So as you can see here, it gives you common questions as well. It gives you a lot to work with so you can learn faster. Also gives you essential vocabulary for everyday use, and it gives you the days of the week so you can know them as well, and also the pronunciation tips so you can know how to speak the language correctly. You can even take these words and phrases and practice them with text to speech app so you can hear the correct pronunciation and practice them speaking. You can also click on the volume icon that's in the bottom so you can hear the ChatGPT voice speaks to you as well. Now let's go ahead to the next important step we are going to be using, which is interactive worksheets. So you can have interactive learning. So you will for sure love learning this language. Now, this is the topic we are going to be using and the prompt, which is basically saying to ChatGPT to act as a fill in the blank worksheets generator. So go ahead, type this prompt as well, as you can see, and then click on send. So if you are like me, you enjoy interactive learning, you will love this feature. ChatGPT can generate grammar practice worksheets for you. It's not just static drills, it's interactive and fun. For example, here is a sentence with a blank space. You can see the options below, so you can fill it with. This gives you so much room to learn and to have hands-on experience with interacting with the questions. The task is simple: to choose the right word. This is an excellent way to reinforce grammar while also learning new vocabulary. You can also ask ChatGPT to adjust the difficulty too if you feel like the sentences are too easy. So you can go ahead, type in a message to increase the difficulty, or you can also just ask it to increase level of complexity. This is important if you are too advanced for the questions ChatGPT gave you. So you can go ahead and challenge yourself with a bit more complex grammar and sentence structures. So go ahead, send it to it, and ChatGPT will give you the perfect questions for you. It's like having a personalized teacher that adapts to your level as you progress. So this is very helpful to learn any new language. So this version that ChatGPT gave you uses more complex sentence structures and introduces higher level vocabulary such as expressing reasons and asking for details. Students will need to be more precise with their choices making. This is a good challenge for their level. Now, the next important prompt that we will be sending ChatGPT is to immerse yourself in the language content. So basically, just go ahead and ask ChatGPT that you are a beginner instead in learning Spanish. Please tell her to recommend you some music, movies, or TV shows. This is great. So, immersion is one of the best powerful methods for learning a language. It doesn't mean you have to live in a Spanish speaking country or the language you want to learn. In fact, with ChatGPT, it's easier than ever. So that's why I asked ChatGPT to recommend Spanish movies, TV shows, music, and as you can see here, it listed all of them: movies and TV shows, titles, and from series and animated shows as well. And even YouTube channels that are perfect for beginners. The best part is ChatGPT doesn't just suggest random content, it carefully curates media that matches my level. For instance, it recommended slower paced podcasts and beginner friendly YouTube channels. So, as you can see below, it has recommended podcasts so you can immerse yourself in the content. Whether it's listening to music while you are working, watching a short show in Spanish, or even reading articles, immersion is the key. So you don't have to spend hours searching for the right content. It's all tailored for you. You can ask ChatGPT to recommend content in specific genres like comedy, drama, or adventure, which makes learning more enjoyable and less like a chore. Now, the next prompt we are going to use is story and reading practice. We have two prompts. The prompt number one, which states, please write a short story I can use to practice Spanish. So let's go ahead, paste it here, then hit send. Now, ChatGPT will give you a short story that you can practice with. It's easier to learn like this. Reading in a new language can be difficult, especially as a beginner. So that's why ChatGPT will write stories at your level. You can ask it to create simple story that uses vocabulary you are familiar with. So I asked it to write a short story about an elf adventurer, and what I got was creative. Now the second prompt, which is please write the first sentence of a short story about an elf adventurer, and I am going to write the second sentence, and you can go back and forth with ChatGPT to create the story together. So now ChatGPT gave us the first sentence. We have to give it another sentence to create the story. This is a fun challenge to collaborate in the story. It writes the first sentence and then you add the next one. It feels like a fun challenge, and by the time you have built the story together, you have learned new vocabulary, sentence structures, and tenses. Now let's go ahead. Tell ChatGPT to give us a sentence that we can give it to it so we can continue the story together. So let's go ahead, type you continue. It will give us a sentence as you can see. So I will copy it and paste it here, and you can go back and forth creating a story. You can also ask it to write stories in different genres or use it to practice specific grammar points you are struggling with. Now, the final step we are going to be dealing with is exams. So, this exam is special because we are going to use an exam with feedback, which is a speaking exam. So, the prompt we are going to use is to create an oral structured exam that tests my grammar and comprehension. One of the most useful features of ChatGPT for me is the ability to test my speaking skills. Learning grammar and vocabulary is one thing, but speaking a language is where really the challenge lies. So I asked ChatGPT to create a structured oral exam. It gave me a series of questions in Spanish to answer. These questions were focused on testing both my comprehension and my conversation and grammar as well. So after answering each question, ChatGPT will provide you with immediate feedback with scoring. So if you made a mistake, it will tell you it was wrong and explain why. And it will offer suggestions on how to improve. So this personalized feedback helps you correct mistakes right away so you don't build bad habits. You can do the same by asking ChatGPT to simulate real conversations, and you can press on this icon right here to read aloud.
Absolutely. I'll design a structured Spanish oral exam that tests your grammar and comprehension. This will be broken down into different sections, and after you complete each part, I'll give you feedback, coaching, and a score out of 100%.
As you can see, and you can do the same thing to simulate real conversations, roleplay common scenarios like ordering food, or even explain certain grammatical structures. It's a great way to keep your speaking skills sharp even when you don't have someone else to practice with. So here is something that really takes your practice to the next level. ChatGPT gives you the option to save your conversation so you can come back to it later by clicking on this sidebar. And here you can see your today conversation. You can change the name for it. For example, let's name it Spanish or whatever language you are going to name it that you are going to learn, and you can come back to it whenever you want. Now it's easier than ever to start strong and then lose motivation after a few weeks, but with ChatGPT you have a personal teacher who's always there to help you stay on track. Whether it's sending you a reminder each day to study, suggesting new content when you are ready, ChatGPT will help you for sure learn any language you want. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.